Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve your math problem using Google Lens. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open my Google application. I'm going to open this Google application, and then we can click on this camera icon to use the Google Lens, and then here you can select homework. Okay, and you can take a photo of your homework questions, and here I want to solve my math problem. I'm gonna select this one, and then we can click on this button to take a photo. Okay, and now the photo has been taken, and then this is the solution. You just need to open it to check the solution. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can solve our math problem using Google Lens. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.